In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to jump cut in Kapwing. If you're new to video editing or just looking to add a touch of flair to your content, learning how to make jump cuts can be a game changer for enhancing the pace and engagement of your videos. So, let's dive right in and explore this simple yet powerful technique using Kapwing. First off, let's navigate to your Kapwing projects. Once you're there, direct your attention to the timeline. The timeline is essentially your video editing workspace where you'll piece together and refine your video clips. Familiarizing yourself with this area will make the editing process smoother and more intuitive. Now, with your video displayed, the key action here is to split parts of your video. Look for a point in your video where you might want to eliminate some content or create a direct transition. Click on your video at this specific moment. Once you've identified the right spot, go ahead and split the video. Splitting allows you to create separate sections or segments within your video, which is crucial for executing jump cuts. After you've made your first split, your next step is to split another part of the video. This should be at the point where you want to resume the video or continue the narrative after a brief cutaway. Essentially, what you're doing is creating two distinct clips from your original footage. Now comes the crux of the jump cut technique, deleting the segment between these two splits. By removing this intermediary section, you effectively create a more dynamic and engaging flow. This can be particularly useful for cutting out unnecessary pauses, filler content, or simply speeding up the pace of your storytelling. The final step brings everything together. Connect the two split parts by dragging them together, ensuring that they are seamlessly aligned on the timeline. This will create a smooth and immediate transition from one part of your video to the next. Congratulations! You've just created a jump cut. As a tip, while jump cuts can greatly improve the tempo of your video, it's important to use them judiciously. Too many jump cuts can seem jarring or disorienting to the viewer, so be sure to balance them with other editing techniques to maintain a cohesive viewing experience. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to jump cut in Kapwing. With practice, you'll find this technique invaluable for tightening up video content, keeping your audience engaged, and enhancing the overall professional quality of your video projects. Happy editing!